Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
Tamara Williams has parted ways with Ardent Gardens FC women's team after 6 years as the head coach. Williams announced her resignation on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grid program on Wednesday afternoon.
You sent a resignation letter in when? Today to the club management?
Yes.
And they just accepted the resignation? They didn't, try to persuade you to take it back or anything?
No, not that I know of, because I've been busy. So, I just left over.
Okay, so it's possible that you may get a call to say, come, you need to sit and meet with us and talk about this.
Yeah, but the decision will still stand.
When pressed about her reason for leaving, Williams had this to say.
No, I was getting from the community was wonderful, but a few individuals in the club was affecting my mental health and my best ability to coach. I've been in dialogue for some time and always seem to be just talking, no explanation, no
resolution, just talking.
No, just talking, not going anywhere.
Williams was speaking with host Garfield Jones. A 55th minute strike from Shaquille Stein was the difference as defending champions Cavalier clipped Portmore United 1-0 in their rescheduled Jamaica Premier League game on Wednesday at Sabina Park. The result meant Cavalier, who moved to 56 points, stayed in 5th place, while Portmore United remained 4th on 58 points.
I think it was very important. There's a chasing pack, and they were kind of getting close, so we knew today we had to take care of business. We couldn't do anything more than get a positive result, so we're satisfied.
So we got a few chances in the first half and stuff that we didn't take. It was a balanced game. We just switched off in a moment that caused a goal in the game. We have to focus better in the game. That's all, really.
Meanwhile, leaders Mount Pleasant FA will have a chance to extend their lead atop the league when they host Racing United in a rescheduled encounter at the Draxall Complex today at 3:30 p.m. Mount Pleasant are on 75 points, while Racing United are 8th on 48 points. Racing could move into the 6th and final playoff spot with a win. Racing United are only a point away from Waterhouse in 6th and has 2 games in hand. And finally, Sunshine Girl Romelda Aiken-George was named the MVP as the Adelaide Thunderbirds began their defense of the Suncorp Super Netball League title in Australia with a comfortable 66-53 win over the Melbourne Vixens on the weekend. The game, which was a repeat of last season's grand final, saw Aiken-George produce a 97% shot rate effort with 34 goals from 35 attempts for the Thunderbirds, who are seeking a three-peat this season.
Wasn't the start of pre-season I wanted. I had a bit of a procedure to start with, so I was sitting on the sideline for quite some time, but I'm really happy that I came out and I could give my team 100%. But yeah, feeling good and really happy with the win. I think for me, it's just like to focus on the small things. I still want to work on my 2-point game, but I'm very grateful for the opportunity to just be on court and getting back to playing with these girls.
Fellow Sunshine girls Shamira Sterling Humphrey and Latanya Wilson also had outstanding defensive performances for the Thunderbirds. In other games, another Sunshine girl, Shimona Jock, scored 37 goals from 43 attempts for the Melbourne Mavericks, who went down 59-69 to the Sunshine Coast Lightning. Another Sunshine girl in action was Shanice Beckford, who had 8 goals from 12 attempts in the West Coast Fever's 49-67 loss to the New South Wales Swifts. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.